Hello friends, welcome to Health Buddy Natural. Aim of our channel is to give information about maintaining health and reduce medical expense. Today's topic is stress, sign, symptoms, management and prevention. As we all know, stress is now a part of our daily life, especially if you are a working professional. This is a necessary evil which you cannot avoid. What is stress? Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event or thought that makes you feel frustrated, angry or nervous. Stress is your body's reaction to a challenge or demand. Stress can be positive also, such as when it helps you avoid danger or meet a deadline. See, we have not heard few years before that school-age children are also getting stressed. But nowadays we see in the schools there are very violent fights between the school children, very negative emotions and thoughts we see of school children on social media. This is because children gets these stress from the atmosphere of house, atmosphere of society, atmosphere of television and other sources. So when stress is in that atmosphere, it affects your health. So today we will see different aspects of stress. These are what are the symptoms of stress, what are the reasons for stress, what are the diseases you may get out of stress if you are suffering for a long time, and fourth thing will be how you can manage and prevent stress. So first we will start with what are the symptoms. See, there are many symptoms. At physical level, first of all, you will not feel hungry. When you are stressed, you will not feel hungry. Or you will have some heaviness in the chest and throat. Your voice will also be little heavy. Tightness of muscles will be there. There will be back pain, neck pain, shoulder, headache. You will feel very low. The energy level of the body will be very low. Your stomach may get upset. It may include diarrhea or constipation, or you may feel nauseating. Another main symptom of stress is insomnia. The insomnia is symptom also, and sometimes it also a reason for stress. Some other symptoms you may get dry mouth, sweating or excess sweating, arrhythmia. So these are physical level symptoms. You may get few of them or you may get all of them. It depends how severe is your stress. Psychological level if we will talk, so you will feel depressed, anxiety will be there, constant worry or thoughts will be there, anger, restlessness, irritability will be there, unmotivated or unfocused you will feel. So these are the symptoms at psychological level. What are the reasons of stress? So we can divide reasons in three categories. First is external reasons, second is internal reasons, and third is unknown reasons. What are the external reasons? External reasons, first you can say the habits of yourself. Any person have different habits. So suppose if you have a habit of watching continuous television or continuous some web series which are having constant violence or violent news, violent stories, or if you have a habit of some alcohol, cigarette, etc. So these habits also causes stress. And sometimes you are having a habit of show off in the society. That show off habit also causes stress. And another external reason for stress is relationship where family relationship with your spouse, or if you are undergoing any divorce situation, that will also cause stress. And sometimes, you lost some of your close ones, death of some of your close ones will also give you stress. Another external reason is atmosphere of the job. If you are not satisfied with your job, or the office company you don't like, or some financial problem you are facing, these can also be a big reason for stress. Or sometimes you get stressed because of your neighbors or nearby people which you cannot avoid. So these are the external reasons. Internal reasons, if we come, see, internal reason first will be our emotions and thoughts. So if we have negative emotions, thoughts also negative, too much worry, too much anxiety, or too much thinking about family, if you are staying alone outside or out of your native place. So these are internal reasons. Another internal reason is your physical condition, like disease, you are suffering from any physical and mental problem, challenges you are facing. So that disease also give you stress. Third internal reason is your sleep pattern. If you sleep too much or if you don't sleep at all, this both can give the stress. So these are the internal reasons. The third category is unknown reasons. What are the unknown reasons? Suppose some new unknown disease has come, like corona, in the society, and all the time 24 hours we are thinking about same. It is not in our hand. This is the unknown reason. We don't know why it has started, but this is giving stress. So this is one of the unknown reason, like corona, any natural calamity which you don't know, or any other situation in the life which is not in your hand and which you have not thought before this may happen, and you don't know how, because it is at bigger level. Sometimes you don't know why you are feeling low, but there is connection with past life if you believe in spirituality. So without any cause you feel stress. Everything is okay around you, but still you feel anxiety, worry. So these are the reasons. Category wise we have seen. Now we will talk what are the diseases you may get because of stress. See, stress is a part of life. So, but if you are constantly dealing with stress and you are not doing anything to manage this, then what diseases you will get is like high blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the common disease caused by stress. Then it may lead to heart disease. Sometimes obesity also comes, and diabetes, as we all know, is because of stress. Diabetes common cause, one of the common causes is stress. Hair fall or hair loss, or your aging process will speed up. You will look much older than your age, or hormone imbalance will be there. How to manage it and how to prevent it. First we will talk about reason wise, like whatever reasons we have seen because of that you get stress. So if we talk about the external reasons we talked, like your habits. If you have some negative habits, so if you change those habits, slowly the stress will go. Like you have a habit of watching too much violent content on social media or internet, slowly you change, you decrease the hours of watching those things and increase to watching hours of some positive things, or start listening music instead of watching violent things. Second reason we have seen the relationship. So relationship, sometimes you cannot change, you have to accept it. This is the solution for that. Accept that relation if you cannot change it. Or sometimes you go yourself for isolation away from that relation. Third thing is develop good company. So relation you cannot change, but if you have good company, then you will learn to accept all relations. Third, we have seen the atmosphere of job or neighborhood. So in this situation, if you can tolerate it, tolerate it or ignore it. That is the one of the best solution is ignore it. Because anyway job, it's not easy to find job every 6 months. So if you can tolerate it, otherwise you ignore it. Same way neighborhood, you cannot change all the time. So just ignore them. So this is the one of the solutions. Second thing, as I said, whatever external atmosphere is there, main thing is how you deal inner way. If you don't get affected by your external thing and you increase inner strength, so how you can increase inner strength? First, as I mentioned, good company. Second is develop your good positive hobbies. Spend more time in some positive hobbies which you like apart from your profession. Third thing is read positive thoughts, watch some positive videos, movies, entertaining movies. That will give you some inner strength. And most important for inner strength is yogasana and pranayama. That will really help you to cope up with your emotions, because negative emotions and negative thought is one of the major internal reason for stress. So if you are doing yogasana, pranayama and meditation regularly, that will give you relief from stress. Second thing is you must pay attention to your diet. If your diet is good as per your body type or as per your requirement of the body, then it will help you to cope up with your thoughts and emotions. Third thing is diseases. Physical diseases are also reason for the under the internal reasons. So you cannot change that immediately. If you are suffering from any chronic diseases, you get frustrated, it gives you stress. But first accept it, that this is my body condition. Second thing is learn to be happy with that disease. So you must see people who are more at worse than you at physical condition, and still they are doing very well in the life. So if you see those people, you will get rid of your small stress. Main problem with stress is people only think about themselves. They don't think in society other people are living in what situation. That's why you must increase your traveling. Whenever you get time, not this time, but whenever this corona period is over, when you travel, you will know the life of other people. Then you will not get stress in small things. People are living in very difficult situation, very challenging situation, and still they are not giving up. So come what may, don't give up. Now the third important reason we have seen in internal category of the reasons is sleep imbalance. Either you sleep too much or you don't get sleep at all. Both the situation you can manage with the help of your daily routine. Like you can start walking before sleep. If you don't get sleep easily, then walking will give some tiredness to the body. That will help you. Second, according to Ayurveda, when Vata dosha is get imbalanced, that time you get some sleep related problem. So for Vata dosha balancing, we have already made a video. That link we are giving in the description, you can see it. Another thing is, if you are getting excess sleep, what happens when you are tired too much mentally, you get excess sleep. So for that, yogasana and pranayama will help you. Yogasana and pranayama will balance your energy level, and then instead of 10 hours, you will feel good even if you are getting 8 hours sleep. So yogasana and pranayama, you start slowly, and for that also we have given a video how to balance all three dosha with the help of yogasana, that you can see in link in the description. Third category of the reason was unknown reason. So as I said, internal reasons and external reasons we have learned how to cope up. Now unknown reasons we cannot do anything, like corona. What you can do? See, this is like a natural calamity. The storm has come to some area of India. We cannot help it. It is natural calamity, so we cannot get stress. Yes, we can be ready. We can follow some instructions given by the authorities. But more than that, we cannot do anything. So there is no use of getting stressed because of unknown reasons. One source of unknown stress is past life. So past life also you cannot do anything. In all this unknown reason of stress, only thing which can help you is meditation and be busy all the time. Be busy in some activity, physical activity all the time. Okay, so these are how to prevent getting stress because of these reasons. Now we come to the measure. What measure we should take if stress is there in our life? In general measures, if I will talk, first I will talk about diet. Avoid too much caffeine, avoid alcohol, avoid nicotine. See, I know you cannot leave all the bad habits at one day, and don't even try to leave it at once. Leave it slowly, step by step. Okay, so if you are doing it very slowly, living slowly, and sometimes cultivate some better habits slowly in your diet. Increase sattvic food. What is sattvic food? Sattvic food is more fruits, more vegetables, more liquid diet, less spicy, less fried food, and quantity should be at normal quantity, not too much quantity at a time. You can eat 4 times a day, but quantity should be very normal so that you don't feel heavy, so that your blood circulation will not be too much only at the stomach. It will also give some oxygen to your brain. So sometimes bad eating habits also give you stress. Another measures you can take in your daily life, indulge in some sport activity. If you are young enough to play, people of 70 years age, they play the sport. So you can play something, if possible, nearby place, or if you can join some sport club, that will be the best. Try other relaxation techniques like meditation, pranayama, or some Ayurvedic spa will help you in relaxation of your muscle stiffness. Or if worry is too much, talk to someone. Talk especially to someone who is elder to you, who is experienced. Sometimes you talk with your friends, they are in the same age group, they cannot help you. So talk to someone who is experienced. Write your worries. If you are not able to talk, write your worries. Keep a diary. If you keep a diary and write positive incidents every day of your life, or anything which comes in your mind, but try to write at least one positive incidents of your life every day, it will help you. Another measure you can take is manage your time. See, what happens when you are not focused properly or not motivated, you waste your time unnecessarily. So manage your time properly. Take control of your life. Don't give control of your life in others' hand. So how you can manage your time? First, you should prioritize your things. What you love to do, you should do self-inquiry. So give some time to observe your thoughts, observe your feelings, observe your abilities. What really you want to do. When you know yourself better, then you will be able to decide what really you want to do in life. And that clarity will take your maximum stress away. Because when you are doing the work which you love to do, you will never get stress even if you are working for 16, 17 hours or more. So these are the things. Apart from this, everything has a time period. Every situation has a time period. I have read somewhere this shall also pass. So this moment, this time will also go. And later on you will laugh at your this difficult time. But today you get too much involved in the negativity. You don't see the positive aspect. Even if in the negative situation there are some positive aspects. So try to get not involved in only negativity of the situation. Try to find out some positive aspect of the situation. If you have any questions regarding health or suggestions regarding video or any new subject to make video, that all things you can write us in the community tab or in the comment box. Many of you saying questions regarding treatment of any disease you are suffering from. We request you please email the whole case history and we will reply you accordingly. Mainly we give diet related and lifestyle related suggestions through email. But in a special condition, if you want online consultation or you want to register for our any medical camp which is going to organize nearby your city, then you can register your name through email. Many of you want to become your own doctor. For that purpose only we have made a online Ayurveda course. In that course we teach you how to maintain health with the help of lifestyle and diet and other changes to take care of yourself and your family. If you want to register for that online course, you can email us. If you are interested to read health related books, we have already given the link of the books in the description, so you can get that book either in the ebook format or in the paperback format. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.